Nigeria imports about 99% of all her electronics and electrical equipment needs, ranging from generators, blenders, television, refrigerators, electric kettles, cooking gas, etc. The amount spent importing these products into the country is in billions of dollars. In 2018, Nigeria spent 145 billion naira on generator imports alone. The total figure of combined electronic imports is truly staggering. Boosting local manufacturing remains the only solution to this malaise. A young secondary school student, a budding engineering prodigy, Lucky, is changing the engineering landscape in Nigeria and re-echoing the ethos, yes, we can.
My name is Lucky Ekhator. I am 12 years old, a pupil in Ewekra Primary School, Use, a local government area. I am an inventor. I discovered myself as an inventor through my imagination. I imagined that if I put two things together, like wires, nuts, and plastic, it will form something.
Lucky manufactures household appliances from scrap plastics and metals.
I invented many things like fan, blender, refrigerator, generator, transformer, and speedboats.
I'm an inventor. I'm here to showcase my various experiments, which I've done so far, using nuts, Motorola battery, panel, plastic, etc. This is a transformer constructed with rubber, plastic, switch, wire, Motorola, light. This is a blender constructed with plastic, iron, Motorola, nut, and wire.
My name is Ekhator. I may be lucky mother. There be 4. They say, and I be now provision. They say provision market now. They say.
Lucky Ekhator realized at an early age that he possesses an inventor's mind and could see far beyond the surface of what was around him.
I started making things with waste materials because I like to imagine things, and we don't have it at home. Things that bring light like generator, transformer, fridge, and they used to use at home. I made aeroplane and tricycle. I made an aeroplane with plastic and Motorola wires and nuts, iron. And the plane we lift up small, but I do not have money to buy good materials to make it better.
Where most saw unusable broken items, Lucky saw another piece that would add to create something new.
My name is Jennifer Ekhator. I'm an elder sister to Lucky Ekhator, the boy that used to create many things. At first, I was angry about it because I don't like it. I feel embarrassed when I see my little brother picking something from the floor. I used to caution him not to take anything from the floor again. But when I saw him couple those things to make keke, I was happy. I feel happy to be the sister to a boy like that, an inventor that you need help from the government so that one day it will raise this country up.
Brother Jumble, why you dey fumble? This is Kakaro, she don't change her bottle. You no need to dey suffer to send money, oh. Careful, make you down the number. no need to stand for line. 894. It is safe and secure. 894. For me. 894. For you. 894. There's a number that could change your whole world. 894. It no matter if you don't get data. 894. Just pick your phone and dial the number. 894 for me. 894 for you. 894 for Niger.
Dial star 894 hash to get started. Powered by First Bank.
Lucky is one of my pupils in Eweka Primary School. We discovered his talent when he was in Primary 5, when they were asked to produce craft work. He started by producing a blender. So we were impressed. We decided to encourage him to move further.
This is a fly boat constructed with plastic, nuts, pep, Motorola wire, iron, etc. As you can see, when I put the fly boat inside the water, it can speed very well.
I noticed Lucky's talents when he was in my class in Primary 5. You know, we were in class one day and somebody came to report Lucky to me that he was manipulating some things, you understand? So I had to call for him. So when he came to my table, I asked what he was doing and he showed me a blender and it was marvelous. So I encouraged him to do more.
This is a generator constructed with gallo, iron, container, nut, wire, Motorola, and battery.
The time wey Lucky dey grow dey come, wey Lucky dey Primary 4. If he dey come for school, I go see say he pick a container for hand, pipe, he go hold all of them. Wetin he want to use this one do? He go say he want to take am form something. Wetin he want to take am form? Sometimes I go pursue, I go throw away. One day like that, I can't leave and I can't do aeroplane with keke napep. From that time, now I can't leave and I can't start to do everything like that.
Without sophisticated tools working, Lucky has built blenders, generators, and other household appliances using plastic and metal scraps as parts.
I'm very young when my father died. My mother took good care of us, and when I started doing these things, she would be shouting for me that why I going to dustbin and pick all those dirty things to form something. But when she now discovered that the things are invent and working, she stopped shouting for me and support me.
I'm working on it so that I can adjust it high, low, and highest.
I get my materials sometimes when I'm going in the street. If I saw a plastic bottle, I'll pick it, and I mostly go to the dustbin where people used to dump the dirty waste material, and I pick it. I have a store there where I used to couple them.
We went to a competition of, it was a talent show. So many people create many things, many children bring many things at the stadium. So among everybody there, they choose him to be the most brilliant boy there. So we was happy about it. After the competition, we had nothing from them. So I really want the government to support him so that at least he can raise the country up.
I want to become a mechanical engineer in my future because I like making things and managing.
Sometimes Lucky go ask me, say, me I'll give her money, me say buy. Challenge when I have, now made them help me for Lucky, but made them help me so that I go to see money till they buy all these things we want to work on. If you work on the thing go good well. You know what they pick up for granted again. Now that's one I want, me government help me.
Possessing and using exceptional engineering skills, Lucky is truly a first-class material.
The challenges I face right now, I don't have money to buy materials. That is why I used to go to the dustbin and pick some materials. I used to go on the streets.
You need the money so that you can buy all those material he needs. You need some material to create some things that the money is not, we don't have the money to buy it. So we need help so that I can buy all those things and create a better thing.
I would like to tell the young ones like me to believe in their dream.
I come dey pray people say maybe na wetin God say he wan do na be this one. If he dey do am, if he start am, he go say mommy come look am. Sometimes he go start am, the thing go dey work. I go say wetin dey do for there, he go say na wetin dey do. I will get up, I will go look am, I will come still dey happy.
I want people to support me or the government to support me to become a mechanical engineer in future. And I believe that when they support me, I will do greater things.
Advice when I have made, if they see say their pikin dey do something, make them dey leave am. They don't know whether na that one want it better. I ask am, say where you for learn, who show you your daddy before he die, not be electrician. He say na experience, na wetin he want do, say na be this one.
My name is Lucky Ekhator. I am an inventor. I'm a first-class material.